Welcome to a quick culinary adventure where we'll whip up some cheesy vegan quesadillas in just 10 minutes. We've got a journey ahead, packed with 8 simple ingredients and a dash of creativity. So stay tuned for a mouth-watering meal that's as delicious as it is easy to prepare. To make these delightful quesadillas, you need just 8 key ingredients. First up, we have tortillas, the canvas for our culinary masterpiece. Next, vegan cheese, a plant-based wonder that brings in that delightful oozy meltiness. Then beans packed with protein and flavor, our vegetables, a colorful medley offering crunch and freshness. And finally, seasonings, the secret agents that elevate our dish to a whole new level. With these ingredients at hand, you're already halfway there. Now, let's dive into the fun part, cooking. Start with sautéing your beans and vegetables together with your chosen seasonings. This not only cooks them evenly, but also infuses them with flavor. Next, it's time to assemble your quesadilla. Lay your tortillas on a heated skillet and sprinkle your chosen vegan cheese generously. Spoon your sautéed filling onto one half of the tortilla, then fold it over, creating a half-moon shape. The key to a golden, crispy exterior is flipping your quesadilla at just the right time, usually after about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Remember, patience is the secret ingredient to a perfect quesadilla. And just like that, you've created a delectable vegan quesadilla. You've cooked up a storm, and now it's time to relish your creation. Jazz it up with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro, a dollop of vegan sour cream, or a scoop of zesty salsa. Slice it into wedges for easy sharing, or enjoy it whole for a satisfying solo meal. We've used our favorite ingredients, but don't be afraid to mix it up. Add corn, jalapenos, or different beans to make it your own. There you have it, a cheesy vegan quesadilla that's ready in a flash. Thanks for joining this culinary journey, and don't forget to share your quesadilla creations.